Lagos, they on serious fire. Hey. Many of una go dey wonder why I dey laugh. My people, if una see this woman, abeg, no be the one wey we dey talk say anyhow Sunday on good, Sunday na man. This one na the female Sunday. Omo, this woman dey drive with her husband, and we don't know whether na the husband abi na the husband brother. They dey inside car. Na so they come see Lasma people. Lasma people come dey tell them make dem take the U-turn. You understand? No knowing say na set up, they set them up. So that by the time they take U-turn, that U-turn no be like that they suppose pass, because other cars they come. Now so as they can't take the U-turn wey Lasma tell them to take, now so they can't tell them say, we need to seize your car because you are taking the wrong direction. Now so they can't carry the woman come out for the car. The Lasma person can't sit down inside car, say one drive car, can't see where. Hey, this woman climb on top of the car. He climb on top of the roof. He say this car no dey go anywhere. So I beg for now, we no know wetin happen. I want make una join me, make we laugh this matter together. So join me, make we watch the video.
You are not driving the car today. You are not driving the car today. You are not. This government is sucking for us. You are not driving this car today. Enough of all this. You are not driving 50. Come, madam, do you know what you are doing? Video, you don't know what you are doing. Let them video me. Let them video me. Remove the
Ẹ̀kọ́ mi bàjẹ́ ó bàjẹ́ tí. Lagos police and Lasma people, they be the wrong people wey you go ask for direction. Abeg, I don come tell una this thing. If you dey drive, no try am. See, e better make you park car, ask person wey dey pass. You understand? Please, how can I get to this? If you ask police person or Lasma person for direction, you don buy market be that o, because they dey find money. So they go direct you wrongly. By the time you don't hit that side, they go come tell you, you've committed an offense. Now what did they do now? Because they find any means to get money. Chineke. My sister, they don't set you up. But at least, are they happy? You don't understand. This joy, they come from inside me. Say, person fit show these people madness. That woman, as soon as they say like that, na so I be o. I know they waste time. If they inside, see, you no fit stay Lagos where you no get that thing for una body. You no fit. By default, you go get and see. If you stay Lagos where you dey calm, you know, I don't look for trouble. I don't do this. I don't. Hey, you go die before your time. Shofeku, you go die before your time. You suppose that garment of madness every day, because you go dey meet people like that. Even if not be uniform person for market, you go meet people wey go want display say they mad. So you suppose show them say you madder. You understand? To make it. Now like this, we suppose they do these people. Now like this. This one don't jam in meter. Baje. See the woman sit down gidigba. I say today, I know they move anywhere. She even enter inside the car, they stop. This woman now, in fact, this week, this woman don't win an award for this Sunday show. I wish say I know where she dey stay. I will just personally go look for her. You understand? Give her a better gift. That's what it's supposed to be. If na man they catch now, say they drive. You know how men they do. Some men not to like trouble. They go come, you understand, settle them with money. This woman, she don't make up her mind. Money no they go, the car no they go. Do your worst. And like that is supposed to be, because these people now, and now as they can't not say there's no law in Nigeria again. No law in Nigeria. Nobody where you go report. If you carry this case now, go police station, you go pay more money. So now you are living your life. You are the law. Each citizen in Nigeria now is the law by himself. Nobody to report from the head to the leg. There's nobody. Lasma people, una go just dey occupy position wey una no even know wetin una dey do. Who tell una say lasma person get right to drive defaulters car? Who tell una? It is not done anywhere. You no get right to sit down inside that car say you dey drive am. But where we dey, no be Nigeria. Everything is allowed in this country. Everything is see, if you like, slap old woman wey you know say normal level you no suppose do am. They go tell you, they go look for one place where they write am say it is normal. Nigeria. See, I don't tell una this thing and I still dey talk am. If you know say you dey stay for Lagos, open una ear very well. If you dey stay for Lagos, no dey too calm. No dey too calm. They go just climb on top your head, they dance makosa. No dey too calm. I no go talk am again. I don't talk am. You understand? You suppose always dey ready. See, if they come up for your house, just get this mindset, say, they go look for my trouble. If you dey waka with that mindset, even without you saying anything, they don't fear you. Just, yes. You understand? That kind, see, that kind of approach, they go fear you. Me, if I dey go market, na like that I dey do. I don't wear my jeans trousers, wear my shirt, hang my bag for front like this. If you dey see me sef, to even talk to me, na problem, because already, my face already dey tell you say, I'm ready to fight. You understand? Sanwo-Olu, Lagos governor, abeg sir, I don come meet you now because they don dey tell me since, but now they see am. Now you dey give all this last man, Lagos uniform people liver. So now they feel say they fit do anyhow. Now you, person no even person wey no drive car, if they see you, problem. You drive car, double problem. As it is now, my people, for Nigeria, we dey work on eggshells. Una know eggshells, the back of egg. Una know how if you match am, you dey do krang krang. Now like that we dey work. So any small thing now na wahala. Any small thing like this, even if you greet policeman now, greet policeman, good morning sir. Well, what is good about the money? Even greeting now na problem. So just day or day, I beg, I just see, I dey tell una, day una day, and no forget. You understand? Anytime we dey comot, just carry am for your mind. Say, I mean, my sister, no get down from that car. Oh. No try. If you need another this thing to come put on that place, call me. I will come sit down there. We are not going anywhere. Today, they lose this battle. No get down from that car. We go sit down for that car until they decide to have sense. You understand? Me, I dey behind you. They don't buy market today. Nonsense, people. My people, na the matter with this. So I know say una enjoy am, especially as this woman sit down on top of that. I know say una really enjoy am. I beg, just click on that like this thing, you understand, and share this video. It is very, very important too, so that everybody go know wetin dey shele. Very, very important. If you never subscribe, see my hand. I beg. I dey beg. You understand? Yes. Drop your comments for the comment section. I want to know what you think concerning this case, and I will reply on one by one. And I know say I love you. See you later.